Oh, my ring fell off. Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, I will be doing a bob mushroom cut. I want to say it's been a while since I did an edited video, so guys, just bear with me. I'm happy to be back on this side of things, but I'm trying to do the lives and this at the same time, and I'm going to start streaming my next live, guys. So make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel if you're not already subscribed. Now, if it's your first time here, my name is Alicia Handles It, and what I do on my channel is how-tos, tutorials, anything that has to do with beauty, anything that has to do with hair, finger waves. Oh, I love it. Anything Quickweave, wigs, wig making, I do it all. So just make sure to subscribe. I'm not going to talk much during this video. I just want you to enjoy, pick up anything you can and add it to your own technique. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. So the hair that I'm using today, as you can see, is Milky Way. I am also using Dreamweaver. I love Dreamweaver for pack hair. If it's not bundles, Dreamweaver is my go-to. And Pump It Up is also in this video. I'll be linking all the products that I'm using in this video in the description, so you can go down there and take a look. So I hope you guys truly enjoyed the video. Remember, please leave a like on this video because it will get me out there in the algorithms. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. I'll be sure to handle it for you. This is a bob mushroom, guys. I hope you like it. Love you guys. See you. Guys, we just got to 10,000 subscribers. Like, really. Thanks for all the support. I love you guys dearly. And I'll be doing a live